Hello students, a very good morning to you all. I hope you're all doing fine at home. So starting with the first chapter, social studies, the solar system. Okay. So you know how many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There was also a small planet, a 9th planet called Pluto, but it has been eliminated as one of the planets of the solar system. So at present, there are only 8 planets. So let us study about all the 8 planets, the chapter, the solar system. Coming to, firstly, we use the word the universe. The universe. Here, the vast empty space around us along with everything that it has constitutes the universe. See, this universe is an umbrella term. Okay, it's like a very huge, very vast and very big. So this universe includes galaxies, sun, stars, planets, asteroids, comets and meteoroids. This universe is a very broad term. In this universe consists of galaxies. There are so many galaxies that even we don't know the count also. We have sun, star, planets, comets, meteoroids, and comets and asteroids and everything. Okay, it's a broad term. And the astronomers believe that the universe is very big and it is growing outwards. Okay, and we live in a galaxy called Akashaganga or Milky Way. What is our galaxy name? What is our galaxy name? Our galaxy name is Milky Way galaxy. Imagine this is universe. What is this? This is universe. Imagine this is universe. This is one galaxy, 2 galaxies. There are many galaxies like this. It's keep on extending. Okay, and ours is this is Milky Way. Milky Way or Akashaganga. What is the name of our galaxy? Our galaxy name is Milky Way galaxy. Just look at the universe. It is expanding outwards. It is keep on expanding. And ours is a small galaxy called Milky Way galaxy or Akashaganga galaxy. This galaxy has millions and millions of stars. Now we will just take this part outside. Okay. Just imagine this is our galaxy, Milky Way galaxy, and it has millions and millions of stars. See, we have so many stars. And it is spiral in shape. Ours is like that. There are so many galaxies in that universe, and it is high-powered astronomical telescope. This picture took a picture of the universe which showed around 1,500 galaxies. Like such, there are 1,500 galaxies. Okay, and where exactly are we located? In the Milky Way galaxy. We are in Milky Way galaxy. Our planet in Milky Way, we have solar system. See, there are many other stars here. And somewhere in the corner we are here. If you believe this is our solar system. SS is solar system. So this is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So it is like this. So universe is a very big term. Universe has totally 1,500 galaxies. In that one, if we take it, ours is a Milky Way galaxy. In Milky Way, a small part is our solar system. That's our 9 planets. Okay, see, I've just taken out here. So out of these things, we have millions of stars. Out of this millions of stars, we just have a small part of a solar system. Okay, and astronomers have found that there are many such solar systems in our gallery. This is our one solar system, isn't it? This is our one solar system. Like this, there are millions of solar systems in this galaxy. You can't even imagine. Okay, ours is only बस ये छोटा हिस्सा, ऐसे कई हजार हिस्से इस मिल्की वे में मौजूद हैं. Okay, so coming to our solar system is made up of celestial bodies. You should understand the term celestial bodies. Celestial bodies is nothing but any natural object in the natural objects that are present in the sky. Like example, you see sun, star, moons. These are all the celestial bodies. Any natural bodies that are present in the sky. Okay, what is celestial bodies? Any natural bodies that are present in the sky is nothing but celestial bodies. Okay. Now, this is, you understood, universe is very big. In that universe there are thousands of galaxies. Ours is a Milky Way galaxy, a small galaxy. In small galaxy there are thousands of solar systems, and ours is one among them, one solar system. So our solar system consists of 8 planets with a natural satellite moon, and there are thousands of celestial bodies present in our solar system, like sun. It's a natural celestial body. Moon is a natural celestial body, and other planets, comets, meteoroids, and asteroids. These are all the natural bodies that are present in the solar system. So now let us study about the sun. Okay. So coming to the sun. Coming to the sun. Everything in a solar system orbits around the sun. See? If this is the sun, okay? See, here is a planet called Mercury, Venus, Earth. So there are many other planets. So whichever the planets are there, they move around the sun. Okay? See, if this is the sun here, and all the planets will move around the sun. Okay? That is nothing but orbit. They orbit around the sun. The sun is very, very big, and it is very, very massive. Okay? And this sun is made up of 2 gases. How many gases? 2 gases, that is hydrogen and helium. Okay, the sun is made up of 2 gases called hydrogen and helium, and it is always burning, बहुत जलता रहता है, and it is very hot. The temperature on this sun is 11,000 degrees. Now if we boil the water, उबलता हुआ पानी का temperature कितना रहता है? Just 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degree. You can't even touch with your hands. Can you just imagine just touching the hot water? It's not possible. Just imagine the temperature is 11,000 degree. Okay. So what is the temperature on the sun? It's 11,000 degree Fahrenheit. And sun is so big that 1 million Earth-sized planets would fit into its size. Sun इतना बड़ा है. Sun is so huge that our Earths, हमारे जो ज़मीन है, जो हमारी Earth है, thousands of Earths can be fixed into it here. Just imagine This is the sun, and there are earth. So we can fit into it thousands of earth in it. So that size is of the sun. Okay, it's very big and very massive natural star. Even though the sun is huge, it is very much small when compared to the other stars. This is a solar system, and ours is a Milky Way galaxy. When we compare other stars with this sun is very much small when we compare to the other stars. And there are many bigger stars than this sun. And when the sun appears, it is a day, as you all know. And when sun disappears, and you can't even imagine a life without the sun. If there is only night and night, there was no day, then it would have been problem. So this is all about the sun, and it is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. It is 150 million kilometers away from earth. See, this is sun, and the distance between these two is 150 million. What is the distance between the sun and the earth? It is 150 million kilometers. Okay, you just travel from here to Bangalore, like from here, like Chintamani to Bangalore. It's just sometimes it varies where exactly do you want to go, like it is sometimes 72 or 70 kilometers. Just imagine 115 million kilometers away. Okay, so that's the huge distance between the sun and the earth. So in the next class we shall continue more about this one. We shall study about the planets. Till that one, stay home, stay care. Bye bye.